Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your device is unlocked and has enough battery to avoid interruptions. Open Settings and locate Screen Time on iOS or Digital Wellbeing on Android. If you don't see it, use the search field at the top. Tap the entry to enter the feature. If asked, enter your passcode or sign in with your Apple ID. Once done, you land on the summary dashboard that shows today's activity. This is where you begin viewing detailed screen time data. You now choose the period you want to inspect, tapping today or last 7 days to compare trends. Scroll through the activity list and tap any app or category to see minutes, pickups, and notifications. This reveals how and why time is spent. Make sure to review the hourly timeline and device pickups to spot patterns. If you want, expand a graph for more detail. Once you've identified heavy-use apps, you're ready to act on limits or schedule downtime. Finish by applying controls. Set app limits, configure downtime, or enable share across devices to consolidate statistics. You should verify settings apply by checking totals after an hour of normal use. If numbers seem wrong, make sure screen time is turned on and account sync is enabled. Restart the device and check for OS updates if data still fails to appear. If problems persist, sign out and back into your account. This often forces a fresh sync and restores accurate display of screen time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.